Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential upgrade for anyone still relying on their trusty HP Color LaserJet 5550 series printer. We're talking about the Keystron 512 MB memory upgrade, a single 200-pin DDR SODIMM module designed to breathe new life into your workhorse printer. For those of you with an HP Color LaserJet 5550N, 5550DN, 5550DTN, 5550HDN, or the standard 5550, you know these machines are built to last. However, as printing demands evolve, especially with more complex graphics and larger documents, the original memory configuration can sometimes become a bottleneck. That's where this 512 MB upgrade comes in. It's not just about adding more memory, it's about unlocking the printer's full potential, allowing it to process jobs faster, handle multiple tasks more efficiently, and reduce those frustrating waiting times. This specific module, identified by part numbers Q2632A and Q7723A, is manufactured by Keystron, LLC, a brand that stands behind its products. One of the most reassuring aspects of this Keystron memory upgrade is its 100% compatibility guarantee. You can install it with confidence, knowing it's engineered to work seamlessly with your HP Color LaserJet 5550 series printer. And speaking of confidence, Keystron offers a lifetime warranty on this memory module. That's a significant commitment to quality and durability, providing immense peace of mind for any user. It means you're investing in a solution that's built to last as long as your printer, if not longer. The physical design of the module is a standard 200-pin DDR SODIMM, and while it might seem like a minor detail, its lightweight nature makes installation straightforward and hassle-free. You won't be adding any unnecessary bulk to your printer's internal components. Imagine printing those large presentations or high-resolution marketing materials without the usual lag. This memory upgrade transforms your printer from merely functional to truly efficient, extending its useful life and saving you the cost of a brand new machine. It's a smart, cost-effective way to boost productivity in any office or home environment. If you're looking to optimize your HP Color LaserJet 5550, this Keystron 512 MB memory module is definitely worth considering for its performance benefits and robust warranty.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.